Hello, welcome back to Garden Glows. Do you want more flowers from your bougainvillea? Then repotting it with the right soil mix is very important. Bougainvillea is a strong plant, but when it grows big, we need to change its pot. This is called repotting. For repotting, we have to follow some steps. Here are some necessary steps for repotting. Step 1. Remove the tree. Take the plant out of its old pot. Be very gentle. If the roots are tight and circling, open them slowly using your fingers. Step 2. Choose a new pot. Use a pot that is one size bigger, not too large. Make sure the pot has holes at the bottom. This helps to remove excess water. Step 3. Make the best soil mix. Bougainvillea loves fast draining soil. Here is a simple soil recipe. 40% garden soil, 30% sand, 30% compost or coco peat. This mix helps air and water move easily. You can also add a handful of bone meal or crushed brick. Avoid using clay soil. It keeps too much water. Step 4. Repot the plant. Put some soil at the bottom of the new pot. Place the plant in the center, fill soil around it and press gently. Water a little. Last step. Sunlight and care. Keep the pot in a sunny place. Bougainvillea loves full sun. Water only when the top soil feels dry. That's it. Now your bougainvillea is ready to grow strong and give more flower.